Hello, today I'm going to show you a battery upgrade for 2007 Honda Accord 2.4 liter. So the old battery is a size 51. It's a skinny battery. I went and bought a battery tray for a Honda Accord V6. This V6 battery tray is for the Group 35 battery. It'll fit right in the spot that the 51 will go. I went and bought new J-hooks from the dealer, so I had the longer J-hooks. They didn't have the battery holder in stock, so I bought this universal one. So I ordered these J-hooks from the dealership. They had them in stock. This Autocraft universal battery tie down, I got it from Advance Auto. I got this Die-Hard battery from Advance Auto. And I ordered the V6 Honda Accord battery tray from Amazon. This universal bracket is good. Battery's installed, it's solid, nothing moves. So this Die-Hard battery gold has 640 cold cranking amps and 100 reserve capacity. The 51 gold only has 500 cold cranking amps and an 85 reserve capacity, so this upgrade will give me more cranking power in the wintertime and in those hot summer days. So if you want to do this upgrade, try it out. Thanks for watching.